How to get QR code on Trust Wallet. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a QR code on Trust Wallet. Whether you're trying to receive cryptocurrency or share your wallet address with someone, the QR code feature makes it super easy, so let's dive right into it. First things first, open your Trust Wallet on your phone. Once you've done that, find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if you want to receive AVAX, simply tap on it. If it's a different coin or token, just select the corresponding one and simply tap on receive. This will bring up your wallet address and a QR code for that particular cryptocurrency. Here you have either two options. You can either copy the wallet address and share it manually with someone, or you can show the QR code for a quick scan. If you want to use the QR code, simply show it to the sender and they can scan it to send you funds. You can do the same for the other also. As you can see here, ADA. Simply tap on it and click on receive, and here you can find an option to share your QR code also. Simply tap on it and share it. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a QR code on Trust Wallet.